Hi, I'm John Austin. We're agricultural contractors operating in the Waikato and Northern King Country, and we do all aspects of agricultural contracting for farmers, but we also grow a lot of maize and grass for ourselves on lease land. I think we did about 13,000 paddocks last year of chopping maize, so we cover a lot of area, and about a third of it is for trading on continuous maize ground and 2/3 is on dairy farmer platforms. We've worked closely with PGG Wrightson Seeds and our local reps, and so we've done a lot of trial work, particularly on our home block, comparing the different species of grass, and so we've been really confident that we've been getting great performance out of Winter Star and Winter Star 2, and so it's really a no-brainer to have a look at Abuzz. And obviously in the trial work it's looking promising to us, and obviously in the field here it's shown its worth. Well, so far the performance in the trials looks exciting, and certainly looking at what we've got in the field today, it looks like a great product. And it's just really important to us that we are doing the best we can for our customers, so we need to be sure that we're recommending or planting the right product in their field.
Okay, so here we are. We're down at grassroots level, looking at the Abuzz. As you can see, it's in quite a healthy state. John, do you want to tell us a little bit about the paddock history since planting?
Well, this block was being cut and carried, and it hasn't been grazed. It was cut and carried because the farmer doesn't like this stock on here, and so the last time this was cut was probably about 6 weeks ago. So we've got fantastic regrowth, really, considering it's been quite cold and wet through this period, but it's really bounced back and it's looking really good.
When are you taking this to silage?
It's growing so fast it's going to be a challenge to fit it in. Would like to think it'd be off within 3 weeks. We will have to try and hit it when it's at maximum quality and yield.
Yeah, and I dare say you're very close to that now.
Yeah, it's growing a lot faster than we thought it would.
It does, yeah. And this is the first time I've seen it in a commercial field, and I'm very impressed myself.